Good morning, students. Now we are going to play an circle time activity game. Tweeting birds game. Okay. Here I have placed some of the birds pictures. Right. Now we are going to form a circle and go around the circle. When I say stop, you have to stop and take a picture of any of the bird. And I will ask you the question what bird it is. You have to answer me. I will ask you what bird can you see? You have to answer I can see a duck. I can see a cuckoo. I can see a myna. I can see a eagle. I can see a crow. I can see a owl. I can see a sparrow. I can see a hen. I can see a parrot. Like that you have to answer. Is it clear, children? Shall we start? சொல்லுங்க. Stop. Everybody pick a picture. Okay. Stand here. Now, Sagara, you are going to ask, what bird can you see? Okay. Ask each and everyone.
What bird can you see? I can see a cuckoo.
Very good. Next.
What bird can you see? I can see a myna.
Very good.
What bird can you see? I can see an eagle.
Very good. Next, you ask Sagara. You ask.
What bird can you see? A crow.
Very good.
What bird can you see? What bird can you see? I can see a owl.
Very good.
What bird can you see? I can see a parrot.
Very good.
What bird can you see?
I can see a hen. Very good. Next.
What bird can you see? I can see a parrot.
Very good.
What bird can you see? I can see a peacock.
Very good.
What bird can you see? I can see a duck.
Very good. All of you clap for them. Now, tell me the bird's name. Okay. What bird it is? It is a cuckoo. It is a cuckoo. It is a myna. It is an eagle. It is a crow. It is an owl. It is a sparrow. It is a hen. It is a parrot. It is a peacock. It is a duck. Children, do you all like the birds? The birds உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கா? Yes or no? Okay, children.